Creating the perfect cocktail can be complicated and time-consuming if you are not a professional. Measurements, ingredients, mixing, and shaking can take the fun out of it. With this professional cocktail machine, you insert a capsule and pour your glass. The machine draws the spirit from the bottle in just a few seconds and perfectly prepares your cocktail. As soon as you insert the capsule, the LCD display identifies the cocktail and offers you the right choice of glass and the alcohol level of your preferred cocktail. Press the Mix button on the touchscreen and your drink is instantly ready. With its modern and elegant design, this cocktail machine transforms every cocktail into an experience. The automatic rinsing feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that you can enjoy more drinks without the hassle of cleaning. Plus, the bottles are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Making fresh bread at home is great, but not everyone has the time, right? That's where this bread maker comes in. Fully automatic. It takes all the effort out of making fresh bread, and all you have to do is enjoy it. Moreover, with its 12 different programs, you can easily prepare not only bread, but also many other recipes, from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams. This bread maker allows you to make bread of any size and any color, with a choice of light, medium, or dark crust. With its compact and vertical design, it doesn't take up much space on your kitchen counter. It can bake up to 2 kilograms of bread and has a control window so you can monitor the baking process. Plus, the removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleaning a breeze. And thanks to the 13-hour delayed start, you will be greeted by the smell of fresh bread when you wake up in the morning. Wouldn't you like to feel the smell and taste of fresh bread in your home every day? Meet Cuisinart Automatic Bread Maker and add this convenience to your kitchen. Dealing with conventional can openers can be time-consuming and challenging. Now it's that simple to get smooth edges and preserved contents. This can opener is always ready to go with Type-C charging and no need to worry about batteries. The interchangeable blade design makes it easy to handle cans of all shapes and sizes. It automatically shuts off when it's done and comes with an elegant storage box that puts an end to kitchen clutter. It not only increases efficiency, but also adds a modern and stylish touch to your kitchen. Take control with this meat thermometer to prepare perfectly cooked meats and get great results every time. While the product guarantees 100% precision with laboratory tests, the dishwasher-safe and water-resistant design makes it easy to clean after use. The stylish bamboo charging block both stores the device and keeps it constantly charged. This meat thermometer measures the lowest temperature point of meat with multi-sensor technology, ensuring perfect cooking. A quick 15-minute charge provides 12 hours of continuous use. The free meter application for iOS and Android allows you to monitor the cooking process in real time and receive custom notifications. An inaccurate estimate of the ideal temperature can ruin meat when it is cooked. This meat thermometer simplifies the cooking process by measuring the temperature of the meat precisely to ensure perfect results. Completely wireless and with Bluetooth connectivity, it allows you to easily monitor the cooking progress of your meat from your phone. It is durable up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can safely use it even over an open flame. Most plant-based milks you buy in the grocery store can be full of additives and synthetic ingredients. This milk maker removes this problem and allows you to make your own healthy milk at home. With 6 different programs, it makes plant-based milk from almond to soy milk at the touch of a button. What's more, you get natural milk that is completely personalized and unique to you, with your own flavoring options. This milk maker uses pressurized steam and heat technology to destroy harmful enzymes in the ingredients to create safe and nutritious milk. You can make milk with an adjustable capacity of 10 or 20 ounces, depending on your daily needs. Thanks to its automatic cleaning function, it can be cleaned effortlessly after use. Moreover, with the delayed start feature, your fresh milk is ready whenever you want. If you are looking for a healthy and practical solution in the kitchen, meet Chef Wave Milkmaid and easily make your own vegetable milk at home. It can be quite frustrating to have guests suddenly arrive or to have insufficient ice when making cold drinks on a hot day. This portable ice maker solves this problem by producing ice quickly and easily. With up to 26 pounds of ice per day, you'll never be without ice for parties or everyday use. Plus, with 2 different sizes of ice cubes to choose from, you can cool your drinks just the way you like them. This portable ice maker is whisper quiet, producing only 35 decibels of noise, meaning it works without disturbing the peace in your kitchen. Integrated infrared sensors stop production when the ice basket is full, and a low water level warning ensures worry-free use. In addition, the self-cleaning feature ensures easy maintenance, and when the ice melts, you can easily transfer it to your fridge with the included ice pack and spoon. Using fresh herbs in your dishes makes a big difference in flavor and aroma. This indoor garden system allows you to grow fresh herbs all year round without the need for soil and sun, thanks to its hydroponic system, which feeds your herbs only with water, and the LED lights that allow the herbs to grow 5 times faster. You can always have your favorite herbs on hand. This indoor garden system provides a large space for up to 6 plants to grow at the same time. The 20-watt full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight with auto on and off. The touch control panel simplifies the maintenance process by alerting you when you need to add water and nutrients. Also included in the set are seed capsules and liquid plant food such as Genovese basil, curly parsley, and dill. This instant hot water dispenser system speeds up cooking, beverage preparation, or cleaning in the kitchen by providing instant hot water. You can have almost boiling water anytime with a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank and adjustable temperature control. So you can get things done in the kitchen much faster and more efficiently. This gadget adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen with its chrome-plated faucet and stainless steel water tank. Its easy installation makes it quick to integrate into your countertop. It also has the capacity to provide 60 cups of water per hour, and the temperature can be adjusted between 160 degrees Fahrenheit and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the easy-to-use top button to effortlessly get your water. Working with unsharpened knives in the kitchen is both challenging and time-consuming. This knife sharpener makes your work easier by quickly and effectively restoring your knives to their first-day sharpness. With a choice of 4 different angles, this sharpener is perfect for any kitchen knife. With 15, 17, 20, and 25 degree angles, you can easily sharpen everything from chef's knives to santoku, chopping knives to meat knives. This knife sharpener gives your knives a razor-sharp edge with its 3-stage abrasion system: 320 grit diamond, 600 grit diamond, and fine ceramic. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your kitchen drawer. Plus, it's engineered in the United States and backed by a 3-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting use. Enjoy always working with sharp knives in the kitchen. And with this knife sharpener, you can sharpen your knives with professional quality. Preparing healthy drinks can be difficult and time-consuming, especially in a fast-paced life. This personal blender allows you to quickly and easily prepare smoothies, juices, or frozen drinks, even on the go. With its 6 sharp blades and 22,000 RPM motor, it turns ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables into smooth drinks in seconds. All you need to do is add a little water or your preferred liquid and prepare your drink at the touch of a button. This personal blender offers fast charging via USB-C, allowing you to make multiple drinks on a single charge. Thanks to the sealed lid design, you can carry it safely in your bag and use it anywhere. Cleaning the blender is also simple. Just add water and run it, or wash it in the dishwasher. It also has a dual-touch start mechanism to prevent accidental starts thanks to its safety features. This personal blender makes everyday life easier by quickly preparing healthy drinks. It's the ideal solution for taking freshness with you at all times. In the middle of a busy day, it's annoying to have to settle for cold food, and this portable food warmer is the perfect solution to that problem by keeping your meals hot and fresh at all times. With a 20-ounce capacity, you can take your favorite dishes to the office or on the go and keep them warm at all times. What's more, you can disconnect the cable and keep it conveniently stored, so it's easy to transport. This portable food warmer eliminates the risk of spills during transportation thanks to its leak-proof lid. Its modern and stylish design is both robust and aesthetically pleasing. The soft-touch outer coating provides both style and comfort. Plus, the bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up after use a breeze. For the joy of keeping your food warm and fresh anywhere, meet this portable food warmer and enjoy hot food anytime you want. Canned or bottled beers don't offer the flavor and foam quality of draft beer. This beer dispenser turns every can and bottle into draft quality beer, enhancing your drinking pleasure. Physics' patented microfoam technology transforms beer's natural carbonation into tiny, creamy foam bubbles, maximizing aroma, taste, and texture. This beer dispenser supports all bottle and can sizes and works with all types of beer, whether IPA, stout, ale, or lager. With its durable design, elegant matte finish, and USB or battery operation options, it can be used at home, in the garden, or even while camping. 25% faster pouring allows you to prepare your beer quickly. Enjoy every sip with this beer dispenser and take your canned or bottled beer to the next level. This electric water kettle is both safe and efficient to use with its smart auto shutoff technology. It turns itself off when the water boils or is lifted off the base, saving energy and increasing safety in the kitchen. This electric water kettle is easy to lift and use thanks to its 360-degree swivel base. The water level indicators allow you to precisely measure the desired amount of water, and the soft opening lid prevents steam from coming out suddenly. Plus, the removable and washable limescale filter makes cleaning effortless. If you are looking for both elegance and practicality in the kitchen, meet this electric water kettle and brew your tea with pleasure. When you are cooking in the kitchen and your hands are dirty, getting soap can be a hygiene problem. This soap dispenser makes washing your hands in the kitchen more practical and hygienic thanks to contactless use. This soap dispenser offers long-lasting use with its large reservoir, with a capacity of 260 milliliters. The rechargeable 1,800 mAh battery provides up to 100 days of use. Whether you are washing dishes in the kitchen or cleaning your hands, the stylish and practical design offers both an aesthetic and practical solution. With 3 different soap output settings and a rechargeable battery, it allows you to quickly get soap while preparing food in the kitchen, making the cleaning process easier. Dealing with spice grinders can sometimes be frustrating. You have to turn them dozens of times for even a small amount of pepper. But this problem is now a thing of the past. This pepper grinder grinds the ideal amount of peppercorns in just 7 turns and offers 10 times faster performance. Whether you want fine or coarse peppercorns with a wide grinding range, this is the grinder for you. Plus, the high-carbon stainless steel burrs and large diameter bearing-supported shaft system ensure a perfect grind every time. You may want to drink fizzy drinks often, but you may be worried about the sugar and additives in grocery store drinks. This sparkling water maker completely eliminates this problem, allowing you to make all natural and healthy drinks at home. Thanks to its wide mouth bottles, you can mix fresh fruits, herbs, or other natural ingredients to make your own customized drinks. What's more, the carbon dioxide infusion technology adds long-lasting dense bubbles to your beverage. This sparkling water maker features the AR+ carbon dioxide infusion lid, which allows you to produce more bubbles using less gas. The top-loading carbon dioxide system makes installing and replacing tubes easy, especially for those with limited hand strength. It is designed for long-term use with its durable aluminum body and 3-year warranty. Customize your daily beverages as you wish with this sparkling water maker. This s'mores maker allows you to prepare delicious s'mores anywhere, indoors and outdoors. Thanks to its innovative design, the metal tray heats the crackers and chocolate, while stainless steel roasting sticks toast the marshmallows. This gadget comes with 4 stainless steel roasting sticks, a ceramic dome, wire mesh, chimney, and a stylish wooden campfire base. It's designed for easy cleaning with just a damp cloth, making it a convenient and user-friendly tool for parties and family gatherings. Achieving perfect results with the sous vide technique is often challenging due to temperature control and long cooking times. Still, with this sous vide cooker, it's much easier to achieve perfect results every time. The Anova Precision Cooker circulates water at the exact temperature you want, allowing you to cook your food at the right temperature. With the iOS and Android-compatible Anova app, you can choose from thousands of recipes and easily monitor the cooking process on your phone. With 1,000 watts of power, it heats water quickly and keeps it at the desired temperature. Moreover, its waterproof structure offers safe use against splashes and kitchen accidents. Thanks to its adjustable clip, which can be easily mounted on any pot, it provides a versatile and convenient experience. 8 liters of water flow per minute allows for fast cooking. Do you want to manage time and charge your devices while preparing food in the kitchen? This multifunctional timer allows you to do both easily with its 4 timer modes and fast charging feature. With its 5000 mAh battery and 20-watt fast charging feature, this gadget empowers you to charge your devices and keep track of your cooking process with countdown, clock, and Pomodoro modes, all in one device. This kitchen tool is small enough to fit in your pocket, but does big things in the kitchen. With 4 timer modes, you can cook your meals on time and easily monitor the remaining time and battery status with the LED display. Plus, its 20-watt fast charging feature allows you to charge the devices you need in the kitchen quickly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.